Hi everybody, it's Becky and this is my son
Brady.
We are going to do an unboxing today. We just bought
Rainbow Loom.
some Rainbow Loom. So we got this one off of Amazon. It was one of the cheapest options with the most in it. So it came in this brown box and we're going to open it up and see what we got, and then Brady's going to try a craft with it. He's very excited. He loves Rainbow Loom. You show him your necklace. He made this at a day camp, and so he's been asking for Rainbow Loom ever since. So we got some, and all my day home kids, I'm sure, are also going to love it, and we'll be using it lots. Alright, so our Rainbow Loom came in this box, and we're going to open it up and see all the goodies. So right off the top, there are a ton of stuff. We've got all the little clips and beads and things for that.
This is to help you with building the actual necklace or bracelet that you want to do.
Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extra packs of elastics. So let's get those out. Brady, can you help?
Okay. For the final
reveal. Let's see. We got this entire set.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to build something.
I can't wait to build something. So this is the entire box, also filled with Rainbow Loom and stickers. One set of alphabet sheets.
Mom.
So, would you like to build something, Brady?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to clear this up, and then Brady is going to build.
Can we put one of these on it?
Yeah, you can put on whatever you want.
You grab one of these, and you cross it to make it look like, hold on a sec, to make it look like a infinity
figure 8.
And then you put whatever you want on top, and then you pull this, the infinity 8, on top, and then you just keep doing that like over and over, or like this, and then you put whatever color you want next. I want this color next, so I can do my thing that I want to do. Okay, stay tuned for another video, because next video is going to be even cooler about this Rainbow Loom. Comment down below if I'm doing good. And I'm just telling you, you can do it however you want to make it like, but you have to copy this. You can make it a necklace. It comes with stuff that you can put on it to make it cooler. Now I'm going to do these colors that I picked out. And if you ever want to see what it will look like, you pull the two ends, and then it should look like this.
Okay, now Brady wants to add
a watermelon.
A watermelon charm. So
that's right here.
Right there. So to add a charm, all you need to do is you need to take one of your elastics and you thread it through.
Oh, I think I know what I do. Then I just put it on.
Then you just put it on your fingers. Yeah.
That seems easy.
Yeah. So
after that, you can choose whatever next color you want, which I'm doing these colors, which if you could mix them up, but I would disagree by doing that, because then you're not going to get the colors you want.
Yeah, so we're going to make sure that the kids know
not to mix them up.
Mix all the colors up.
Get 3 of these. There, 3 of those. Then I'm gonna get 3 of these.
That's some good color choices. I like it.
Now I'm gonna add the pink first. Then I'm gonna put the blacks over. It doesn't matter which charm you use, they all are the same.
So, we have these two sides connected, and then Brady says I need to connect
The
other
to
two.
the other these two.
Okay, so we need to go to these two here. Okay, so let's connect that. Ta-da!
Now it's time to see if it actually.
Alright, so that is our rainbow loom. Brady got a nice little watermelon charm, tons of different colors. There's also these that are in the kit. Can you tell me how you use them?
You put, this is to pull it over onto the other thing. This one is to put the elastics on, and if you want, you could use this to pull it over.
So that's also another option, but Brady just likes using his fingers, he finds. Thank you so much for watching. Did you like the rainbow loom?
Yeah.
There is thousands of elastics in here. I don't think we're running out anytime soon. Hours and hours of rainbow loom making. So if you liked our video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.
Stay tuned. Peace.
Peace.